This is another in the series of videos describing features of the MS0P support pack. The function shown here was shipped in November 2012 in version 7.102 of the support pack. It was inspired when I was sitting in the back of a classroom during a presentation about MQ's pub sub capabilities. One of the people in the room asked if there was a way to see the topics as a tree. There wasn't, but it made me think, and within 2 hours I had a text-based prototype of what we're about to see in detail. I think it's a much easier way to visualize topics, showing their relationships and the configurations. The MQ Explorer shows topic objects in the same way as it shows queues or channels, as a table, with each object being a row in the table. The table can be sorted on any column, but there really is a fundamental difference between topic definitions and queue definitions. The topic string establishes parent-child relationships between the topic objects. This relationship is important because some of the attributes of a topic are specified as parent, and you may want to know what the value on the parent object is. MS0P gives a new option on the topic menu, View Topic Objects as Tree. Selecting this item brings up a new view with the topics displayed in a hierarchical structure. The parent of each topic object is shown all the way to the root, system-based topic. The view shows all the defined topic objects in green. However, there's no requirement for objects to be defined in MQ at every level of the tree, and so this view also shows, in light blue, nodes of the tree that are not explicitly defined but which can be inferred from the topic strings. The view does not show subscriptions, nor does it show dynamically created topics that may be in use by applications, but are at a lower level in the tree than any of the explicitly defined topics. For example, in this picture there's no object defined that corresponds to the topic fruit/pear, even though there is one for fruit/pear/conference. The layout of the view can be modified using the menu bar. There are options to compress the layout, to shorten the label shown in the boxes, and even to flip the graph through 90 degrees. Double-clicking on an item collapses or expands the tree underneath that node. Moving the mouse over a node shows some critical information about that node, as does a single left click. A right click on the node for a real object gives the option to modify any of the properties of the topic. These are the same panels as you see in the standard table view of topics. The relationships between topics also make security a bit different and possibly more complex than for queues. The permissions set for topics higher in the tree can affect whether or not someone can publish or subscribe to a lower level topic. So this panel gives a simpler way to check access control. Type in a user ID or a group name, and each level of the topic hierarchy is checked until a yes answer is received, or until we reach the root topic. A summary of these checks is shown. This check uses MQ's access control list inquiry commands, just like the dispmqauth and dumpmqauth commands, so it can't be done on ZOS where access control is managed outside MQ scope and is handled by something like RACF. And that's it for the MS0P topic viewer, a simpler way to manage your pub sub configurations.